Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is a simple explanation of not simple things at all. And of course we're talking about crypto. And in today's video we're going to talk about huge crypto opportunity for you to participate in and about airdrop of TIDEX token on TIDEX exchange. I'm going to tell you why you should use this exchange and why you should participate in this airdrop. So guys, stay with me, relax and enjoy the video. Once again guys, thank you for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm really dreaming about grow up my channel and you can help me with that by subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to like and comment this video. I will be happy to see you in my comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I got verified, so you can find a lot of lifestyle stories and posts you will never find on YouTube. And also I post on Twitter 10 times per day about crypto, so follow me on Twitter and you will find a lot of informative information about crypto. Okay guys, let's come back to our topic. So today we're going to talk about TIDEX exchange, and most important moment is upcoming airdrop where you should participate. And I'm going to tell you why. So let's firstly understand what is TIDEX. TIDEX is centralized cryptocurrency exchange with a long history and experience dating back to 2017, co-founder by creator of CEO of the cryptocurrency platform Waves platform. So TIDEX is a platform with a great history, a highly effective tool combining all the qualities of modern centralized crypto exchanges, originating in 2017. The founder of the exchange is the scientist Alexander Ivanov, the creator and general director of the Waves platform. So today the level of development of the company has reached the leading heights, and the capitalization of Waves token exceeded 3 billion USDs. If we go to website, we will see all this official information about TIDEX, everything you should know. We have roadmap here, and TIDEX exists from 2017. We see all the way from 2017 to 2022 when TIDEX launched an own TIDEX token. So today we are going to talk about TIDEX token, and I remind you about airdrop you should participate in. And TIDEX token, this is service intra-exchange token that allows you to use the TIDEX exchange at the highest level, providing special features to the users. So let's have a look about airdrop. Airdrop's duration is only a month in the enjoyable way to enter the TIDEX ecosystem. So here we can see all information. To start participate, you just should click here and then you should sign up. All you have to do is put your email here and password twice. So as soon as signed up, it transfers you to exchange, and we're going to come back to airdrop. And here we already see that participate or join changed to my bonus. So let's go through the steps you should do. So of course we register, we already did it, and then we pass KYC. After that we make a deposit from only $20. After that, we subscribe to social network, which is Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You can go ahead and check the social networks and don't forget to subscribe to it. And then you get your 200 TIDEX. Also, you have additional opportunity to get tokens, which is $7 for each user invited by you will complete with airdrop, and $3 for each user who fulfill the conditions of airdrop, whom you will invite the invited referral. Here you can see amount of distributed TIDEX tokens, and also you can find information about centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. Also, this huge airdrop worth $2 million, guys. Also, TIDEX planning to launch Metaverse and Launchpad. So guys, subscribe to TIDEX and follow all information. So guys, let's conclude a little bit, and I'm going to show you final information you should know before participating in this airdrop. So guys, here you can see all the information about airdrop, as much as information about centralized exchange launch and decentralized exchange launch. Here you can find a little bit information about airdrop. So here, as I said before, you can see all the conditions about this airdrop, and after completing the airdrop, up to 2 million TIDEX token will be distributed at the start of the TGE. After 6 months of the cliff period, a 20 months wasting model will distribute 31,000 TIDEX token daily to the balance of the earned tokens. Here you will find all the contacts and social networks I will attach down below my videos, guys. Also, guys, don't forget to look into white paper. As any project, you should always read white paper before. So white paper you can find on the website, and we go through a little bit of this white paper and you can find the all information provided here. Take your time and read this information to be sure about any project. So guys, let's go to the website. I'm going to show you a little bit more. We always can buy crypto right here. We have fast trading and really simple actions here to sell and buy. The same as we go to exchange, and you can see everything yourself here. It's really simple and understandable, especially for beginners. We also have an earn system right here, and we can go through it. We have different tokens right here, so go ahead and have a look yourself. Also, we can go to listing, and we see information about listing or launchpad, and you can submit your applications here and see more information down below. Also, guys, you can watch this quick video about TIDEX and understand more about this project. So guys, don't forget to participate in this airdrop before it's too late. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was informative and useful for you, and I hope to see you in my next video.